Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Specter 2. First, understand the game's core objectives and the distinct roles available to you. Next, carefully select your agent and their equipment, as this choice significantly impacts your strategy. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the map layout, noting key areas and potential routes. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful mission, setting the stage for effective gameplay. During gameplay, your primary focus is to locate and interact with the mission objectives. Each agent possesses unique abilities. Learn to deploy them strategically to gain an advantage or support your teammates. Constant and clear communication with your team is vital for coordinating actions and reacting to enemy movements. Work together to achieve your goals efficiently. To elevate your play, master advanced movement and positioning. Always consider your line of sight and potential enemy angles. Effectively utilize environmental cover, like walls or crates, to protect yourself and surprise opponents. Be prepared to adapt your strategy quickly as game situations evolve, whether facing a sudden push or needing to defend a critical area. Achieving victory in Specter 2 requires a combination of skill and teamwork. Ensure you complete all primary objectives before time runs out or the enemy gains control. Systematically eliminate enemy threats to secure your position and clear the path. Finally, coordinate your team's final actions, whether it's a decisive push or a strategic defense, to secure a definitive win.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.